Okay, we have a nice little network here. We have 2 clients, a printer, a wireless router, a switch, and a server. Well, let's add a cloud. Under the left-hand corner, network devices, drop down, and go to the cloud icon. And I'll pick the PT cloud and throw it up into our work area. Let's clean up a little bit. Let's move the wireless router here. And we have to connect the cloud to our wireless router, the lightning bolt. And instead of using copper straight through, we'll just use the lightning bolt. Click on the wireless router to the cloud. And we use, for our network, we use the following IP addresses. Then I went to the PC. Under desktop, IP configuration, and I threw our router IP address into the default gateway. Then I used the server's IP address as our DNS server. Let's go surfing. So if we go to the PC and click on web browser, and we type in our server's address 192.168.1.254, and I will copy this because I am lazy, and go. We go to the home page of the Cisco Packet Tracer, but we want to configure this to our own liking. So let's exit out, and I'll show you how to do that. Go to the server, and under services, HTTP, which is shows up right away, then index, edit. And let's change this to a 22, and let's change it to our website. I'm too pretty for prison.com. And you can also change it down here. .com. And let's save it. There's a file, overwrite it, yes. And let's exit out. So let's go to the laptop and desktop, web browser, and Control V, the IP address of our server, and hit go. And we have our new updated web page. So let's exit out. And let's go to the PC and web browser. But let's type in www.com and hit go. It goes nowhere, and I'll show you how to fix that. So exit out, go to the server, and under services, we go to DNS. We have to turn the DNS service on. So on, and the name, www. With the IP address of our server, Control V, and we add it. And as you can see, it populates down here. So let's exit out. And let's go to the PC, the web browser, and type in www.com and go. It goes straight to our new website.